Alright everybody, how's it going? Another day. We are doing the damn thing, aren't we? February is looking great. I'm sounding like shit still, so thank you, February. It's almost my birthday. I feel like today I'm gonna do some updo with some braiding. So we'll just get into it, get some braids going. Don't be afraid to just try something with your hair. I mean, if it doesn't work out, nah, fuck it. It didn't work out. My boyfriend took me to go see Richard Cheese a couple of days ago. He's a funny little lounge singer. Great little performer. If you guys ever get the chance to go see him, he's funny. He sings some crazy songs in lounge era. I love it because, you know, I'm a product of the 80s, but really the 90s. He was busting out some Sublime and some Soundgarden and some Stone Temple Pilots. Boy, he knows where to get me. Knows where my heart is. So we're gonna do these little tiny rubber bands. Gotta get out the little babies. Put that on there. Let's do one on the other side. But so at the show was good, but I could tell that he was a little irritated because I don't know if there was like a reunion of 30-something-year-olds happening or something, but these freaking people would not shut the F up the whole damn show. And some guys all drunk yelling, "You suck, you suck." Boy, if you think he sucks, get the F out of here. I don't want to hear you in your damn mouth. Shit, why'd you pay for the damn ticket? Go sit at the bar and talk all loud with your stupid friends. So annoying, some people. Like, let the performers perform. I'm trying to hear some live music, not somebody sing over some taped crap. I'm trying to hear some real live Celine Dion kind of stuff, not no Britney Spears, you know? Come on. Shut up and let the guy perform. Talking through the whole performance. How damn rude. What if that guy came to your job and just got drunk and talked all loud while you were trying to do your job? Hi, welcome to the veterinary. Ah, you suck! Shut up! He'd be pissed off too, poor guy. I felt so bad for him. You can tell his show, like, really, it had an effect on it, you know? Alright, let's pull some of this up. We'll just clip it. And we'll do 2 braids in the back. Really, most of the time, I don't know what the F I'm doing with these updos. I just make it up. I know I want to do some braids. I don't really know where it's going. Hopefully it's going somewhere. Who knows? I like to fatten my braids up though, you know. Alright. The messier, the better, she says. I don't have enough hair right there. I need to pull down some more. Well, I guess it's gonna have to do. Braid, little ponytail. What's everybody got going on for Valentine's Day? What's my Valentine's hair gonna look like? It definitely ain't gonna be no damn heart braid on my head. That's for damn sure. I don't even do Valentine's. 4 kids later. You know Valentine's? Be in bed, sleeping my life away. Just twist and puff this up. Oh, I need a bobby pin. You know it. Alright. With this hair. Should get a little puffage on back there. This side is not being very puffagey. The other side is like puff on. This side is like Maybe a little background over here. Give this side a little help. Give it a little inspiration. We'll just half it. Come on, hair. Let's just do this updo. Do this bad boy. Okay. Now it looks like I got 2 big puffs on my head. Great. I have no idea what this is gonna look like. We're just doing it. Okay? So, I'll take this one. Pin it. Rolling pin. Rolling. That one. Roll it up and pin it. Take our braid back. Pin our little braid. Ew. Ooh, don't that look cute, girl? We did it. We're doing the thing. Take this one back. And another 2 in the back. And I just want to roll those up. Okay. Find some bobby pins around here somewhere. Alright. One more pin. Alright. Hopefully it looks good back there. Looks good from up here. Got this little piece hanging out. Pull it up and pin it. Any bobby pins all over the place. Alright. Get that going. Got some braids on the side. Braids. Hopefully the black looks okay. Let me know. Feels alright. Feels alright. You can just get your freezing shine on and you're good to go. If you like this video, press like, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends, and hopefully you'll be trying some little braided updos of yourself. And you won't have a little piece of hair sticking out the side acting crazy like mine's. Trying to put it around and it doesn't want to go. No shit. Thank you guys for watching and sticking in with me for my ridiculous and crazy ideas of doing styles 365 days of the year. But I'm gonna do it. I'm still gonna do it. I'm on it. Thank you.